In this video, we'll show you how to open a Deriv account. To get started, click on Create Free Demo Account. You will be redirected to the Sign Up page. Enter your email address, agree to the terms and conditions, then proceed to Create Demo Account. You will receive an email to verify the address provided. Once you click on Verify My Email, you will be redirected to the Traders Hub dashboard, where you will need to fill in your country of residence and your citizenship. Next, set up your Deriv account password. If you already have an existing Deriv demo account, from the Deriv homepage, click on Get Trading, then Traders Hub. Next to Traders Hub text, there is a drag-down option to select Demo or Real account. This helps you to easily switch from your demo to your real with a click of a button. To proceed on creating a real Deriv account, choose Real, then click on the Get button. Select any of the available fiat or cryptocurrencies. Next, from Choose the Document Type section, there are two options. Option 1. Select which ID document type you will be providing: national ID card, driver's license, or passport. Option 2. Selecting I want to do this later allows you to skip providing the document details such as document number. Then enter your personal details and click Next. On the third step, enter your residential address details. As a final step, you are requested to confirm if you are a politically exposed person and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Add Account. Awesome! You have just created a real Deriv account. Check out more videos and discover how you can make the most out of your trading journey at Deriv. For more information on Deriv's products and services, head to www.deriv.com. Thank you for watching.